I had a very wholesome evening with a friend of mine, and we made decorations for our Christmas trees. These are felt Christmas tree decorations. They're quite easy to make. The concept behind these is just to take two pieces of felt, cut out the shape that you want, decorate the front, decorate the back, then just stitch it together. I stuffed it a little bit, so obviously if you want to stuff it, leave a little hole to stuff it and then stitch it closed. And yeah, they were really simple. I did find these pre-cut shapes already in Hobbycraft. I don't know if they still have them, but they had a wreath, a sock, a snowman, and a star. And I think in total I spent probably about £20, including everything. So the tinsel, the shapes, the ribbon. I bought some neat more sturdy sewing needles as well. And the beads, bought loads of beads. I still have so many beads left over. So I think for £20, it's quite worthwhile. I made two, my friend made two. We still had plenty of shapes left over. So yes, it was a really fun project. I hope this gives you inspiration to make your own, and Merry Christmas.